Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming precise identifiers, storage account, container, and blob path. This avoids wasting time on wrong targets. Next, get a SAS token or account key with read permission so you can authenticate securely. Once done, install the Azure CLI or the Storage SDK for your language, or be ready to use the Azure portal. This gives you multiple retrieval methods. Make sure to choose the method that matches your environment and automation needs. You now write the retrieval code. Pick an SDK or the REST API depending on your stack, because SDKs handle retries and chunking for you. Authenticate using your SAS token, OAuth token, or account key, and create a blob client for the target container and blob. Then call download to file or download stream to stream the blob to disk. Streaming prevents memory spikes for large files. Once it runs, validate the downloaded size and content type to confirm integrity. You complete the process by validating integrity. Compare checksum or e-tag with blob properties to ensure a full download. If you hit errors, check for 403 permissions, 404 wrong path or timeouts, then add exponential backoff retries and recheck SAS expiry. Make sure to close streams and dispose clients to release resources. Finally, rotate keys or revoke the SAS token when done to keep the storage secure. This prevents accidental.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.